Sensory play. Normally we have 7 senses, but today we'll talk about the 5 important senses: sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste. From the very early age, it's very important to develop these senses in the children. It helps build strong nerve connections in the brain. It encourages the development of the motor skills, language, scientific thinking, problem solving, logic, reasoning, cognitive development, and etc. 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 So I'll give you quickly a few examples how you can use these development at home. So for sight, a calming bottle. You must have heard of it, but today I'll explain if you want to make your own at home. So take a transparent bottle, put in some water, add some color to it, and put small particles like glitters or small beads or pearls or anything which is tiny that fits in the bottle. Now start shaking that bottle. While shaking, give that bottle in the child's hand. Now allow the child to see those particles move up and down. Give that bottle in the child's hand and then observe what the child is doing. So the child will react to when the particles are moving up and down, when they are settling. So this is a beautiful activity for sight. Anything related to observation. So when you're going for a nature walk, just ask the child to observe the tree. So for example, when you're coming down to the school, on the way, there are a lot of things that come on your way. So that is the time when you enhance the child's sight senses. For sound, so similarly, when you're coming to school or going outdoors or wherever, you listen to so many sounds. So allow the child to listen to those sounds. So a car has a typical horn, a scooter has a typical horn, your doorbell has a typical sound. So, allow the child to listen. So whenever you are belling, whenever you're entering your house and you're putting your hand on the bell and it says ting tong or choo choo choo, whatever, pause for a moment and allow the child to listen. His or her sound, listening skills, that senses are getting enhanced. So you could use a sound box also. In that box, you could just fill in something and just bang it and allow the child to listen. So, that is enhanced. Smell, of course, very easy. So whenever you're cooking in the kitchen and there's a wonderful aroma that is coming out, just ask the child, "Aaj mummy ne kya banaya hai?" "Oh, pav bhaji." Let the child inhale that, with a deep breath. So his or her smell senses are getting enhanced, which is very important. Then touch. So touch, the textures. Some textures could be smooth, some could be rough, some could be soft, some could be hard. So those textures, that touch and feel is very important. So whenever you are moving here and there with the child, so it could be the grass, it could be the railing or the window pane, just allow the child to touch and ask, how does the child feel, that texture. So that enhances the touch sense of the child. Then is the taste, of course. So from the very young age, it's very important to enhance that as well. So whenever you are giving anything to the child, just put words in the child's mouth that is this sweet, is this sour, is this spicy, and see the reactions, because the taste buds have to be developed from the very young age. So wonderful activity, and this activity also is such that it doesn't need anything apart from your alertness and your participation. So enjoy this activity with your child, and sensory play is a must. Thank you so much. Thank you.